Agriculture is a backbone of our country. It plays a vital role in the Philippines economy. But yet, agriculture is one of the most neglected sector in our society. Hi, I am Raymond Mahusay, taking Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering at Western Mindanao State University.
The backbone of our society is our farmers. The food that we consume every day is provided by them. As a result, the entire population of the nation is dependent upon our farmers. It is because of them that we can continue living. But our farmers remain to be uncompensated up to this very day.
Wawa naman po itong mga farmers na naghihintay hanggang ngayon ng kasagutan o mai-implementar yung tamang batas at ma-distribute yung lupa ng maayos.
Paano namin mabubuhay ang aming pamilya?
This resulted in the fight that the agricultural workers had continuously strived for. Through protests, they hope that they will be heard. However, some of it even ended with the farmers being killed or missing.
It is the system that allows exploitation, oppression that made them fall into poverty.
The backbone of our country needs your help. If we become united, our voice will be powerful enough to be realized.
And that is the reason why I advocate engaging to agriculture and support local farmers. Remember, I'm not just a student of agriculture, but a voice.